Reports and notifications are a great way to automate the collection and distribution of data that is most relevant to you. Instead of having to log into the interface every time you want to check in on your employees, Veriato Vision offers 3 distinct report types that are delivered directly to your inbox. To get to the Reports and Notifications section, you can click on Dashboard in the main menu and click on Reports and Notifications. You can also navigate to it in the Dashboard submenu by clicking on Reports and Notifications as well. Reports are automated, predefined collections of data that you specify by selecting a report type. You can also define specific groups and a date range you'd like to pull data from. These reports are automatically scheduled and delivered to the inboxes of the recipients that you define. To create a new report, click on the blue Add button in the top right. Then we're going to follow the step-by-step reports wizard. Select a report type that you'd like to create. In this case, I'd like to look at daily login and log off times. We'll give the report a name and then click Next. We're going to select the groups or departments or even the individuals from specific groups and departments that we'd like to run the report against. And we'll click Next. We'll choose how frequently we want to run the report. In this case, we can choose either daily or weekly. Click Next. In this case, there's only one file type to deliver this report, which is an Excel file. So we'll select that and click Next. Finally, we'll add the recipients of this report. Type in their email address and then click Add. You can add as many recipients as you'd like. Once we finish that, we'll click Next and see a summary of the report that we've created. We can review all of that information, and if we need to, we can go back and edit any of it by clicking on these edit icons. Once we're ready, we can click Create. You'll notice that the report has been created at the top of the page. By default, the report is on, but you can also toggle it off if you don't want it to run. If you ever need to edit a report, on the right-hand side under the Actions heading, you can click on the blue Edit button. Towards the bottom of the page, you can also see the most recently run reports, the format that they've been run in, their status, and you can also choose to view and download the report data. Exports are customized reports based on the activities that you define. Like reports, you can also define specific groups and date ranges to pull data from. These are typically larger collections of data which require you to log into the interface to download the file, but you'll still receive an email notification that the export is ready for you to view. The step-by-step wizard functions similarly to the reports wizard, and you can download exports from the recent exports panel by clicking on the blue download button on the right-hand side under Actions. Notifications can be used to be alerted about concerning user behavior in real time based on activities that trigger things like alert words, website visits, behavior anomalies, and device check-ins. Notifications can be set up to send an email in real time as the activity occurs. To add a new notification, click on the Add button in the blue banner. Then we'll follow the step-by-step notifications wizard to set up the notification. If you ever want to edit a notification, you can click on the blue edit icon on the right-hand side of the screen. You can also delete a notification that you've created by clicking on the checkbox to the left of the name and then clicking delete in the top right. If you'd like to learn more about notifications, we've created a more in-depth video available in the Veriato Vision knowledge base.